In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for a small sales team in 3 minutes. Whether you're just getting started or tightening up your setup, we'll walk through adding users, tailoring permission sets, and organizing your team so everyone sees exactly what they need. First, look to the top right of your Pipedrive screen and click your profile. This opens account-level controls you'll use anytime you manage your team. From there, select Manage Users. This is your central hub for who has access to your workspace and what they can do. If your menu labels look slightly different, it's usually due to your plan or admin rights, but the path is the same. Open your profile, choose User Management, then use the tabs along the top. Next, click the Add Users button at the top right. In the form that appears, enter your team's email addresses. Separate them with commas or line breaks, and double-check for typos so invitations land in the right inbox. You can leave billing or seat details as is if you just want to get everyone in quickly. Once those users are added, go to the Permission Sets tab. This is where you define exactly what different roles can see and edit. Create custom permission sets that fit your workflow, like limiting access to deals outside a rep's ownership or restricting export permissions for data security. When you're happy with a set, assign your users to it so their access matches their responsibilities. Clear, role-based permissions keep your pipeline organized and your data safe. Keep descriptions brief and precise so future admins know exactly what each set controls. Next, head to the Team Filters tab. Teams let you group people for reporting and focused views without changing ownership of deals. Click the Create Team button at the top right. Give your team a clear, recognizable name. Choose a team manager who'll oversee performance. Add a short description so everyone understands the team's purpose, and select the members who belong to it. After you save, you can filter lists, dashboards, and reports by this team, which makes stand-ups and one-on-ones faster and more insightful. Consistent naming, like including a region or segment in the team name, makes filters easier to scan as you grow. That's the core setup. With users invited, permissions aligned to roles, and teams defined for cleaner filters, your small sales team can work in Pipedrive with clarity from day one. If you ever grow or restructure, you can return to these same areas to add new people, tweak permissions, or adjust teams in just a few clicks. And there you go. That's all you need to get up and running. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Pipedrive.